this.
Okay. We've got Mariko here.
Give me your hand.
And her girls. And then we've got Abby, my girl. She's getting dressed by her daddy. Hopefully gently.
I'm just getting it down.
Here we go! Yay! And then we have Greg here for moral support.
That's the most important
And Mommy
thing.
Dearest.
Cut the rose bushes.
And we're gonna go home and see our big brothers and our doggies and our fish and Patty. Everyone's waiting. This is an outfit that Patty gave me to take Abby home in. Hi, Boo-Boo. Hi, Boo-Boo. That was tough, huh? That was tough. And her socks are in the car.
Do we
Daddy
need to take off
me.
the bracelet? This little thingy? Does that stay on?
We can cut that at home.
Okay. We're not going to set off any alarms if we do that?
No, they took the sensor off. I hope. If not, why don't you carry her? Do you want me to hold you?
Adam? Oh my god.
Where's your foot? Where did it go? Sorry, I farted.
Adam's up on the beds, jumping up and down.
Oh no.
Got issues going on.